How to get payment receipt from the Monzo app. Now, in this quick video, I'll show you a specific way for you to be able to locate and access one of the receipt that you would like to have using the Monzo app. So the very first thing that you want to do is open up the Monzo application and make sure that you're logged in. And once you're on the home dashboard of Monzo app, you should be able to see your home screen. You simply access your home screen first, and then you should be able to see the allocated or date range depending on what specific date you would like to request for receipt. Now, on the first place, you should see two options, the date and then all spending from a date as well. Once you've chosen the designated date that you requested, on the other page, you should see bank statement under a PDF file, a comma separated, or a Microsoft Money. All I have to do is to access whether a bank statement or a comma separated, that's actually the same thing, but the information inside it are different. Now, once you've accessed it, it will take usually around 3 to 5 minutes for you to be able to get the actual receipt from Monzo. And that's it. That is how you get a payment receipt on the Monzo app.